Hello, beautiful people. Hope you guys are doing amazingly well. Welcome back to another lesson of English with Ashish. And guys, in this lesson, we are going to learn what sentence adverbs are and how to use them in a sentence. So the lesson is going to be informative. Make sure you watch it until the end. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do that. I'm excited. I know you guys are too. Let's do it. Alright everybody, now let's understand what exactly a sentence adverb is and what does it do in a sentence, right? As we know, we have different types of adverbs in English, and a sentence adverb is one of the types of adverbs we have in English, right? So let's look at the definition and understand what it does. A sentence adverb is a word, it's a word that indicates, what does it indicate? It indicates the attitude or the opinion of the speaker towards a situation. So it tells us what attitude or opinion the speaker has about a particular situation. So instead of modifying a part of the sentence, right, a particular word in the sentence, it modifies the complete sentence, right? A sentence adverb modifies a complete sentence, gives information about the complete sentence, right? Sentence adverbs pass a comment on the entire situation. So these words, sentence adverbs pass a comment on the entire situation, and these words tell us what the speaker feels or thinks about the entire situation. Okay, now let me show you some common sentence adverbs in English. These are fortunately, unfortunately, clearly, logically, honestly, technically, sadly, frankly. These are some common sentence adverbs we have in English, right? Now, let me show you some examples and make you understand how they work. All right, example number one. Clearly, this man is not a fighter. Clearly, this is the sentence adverb, and after it, we are using a comma. Clearly, this man is not a fighter. So this is the main sentence, right? This is the independent clause. This man is not a fighter. And the sentence adverb is modifying this entire situation, passing a comment on this, right? This man is not a fighter, and this thing, this entire situation is clear to the speaker. So in other words, it means it is clear that this man is not a fighter, right? It is clear to the speaker that this man is not a fighter. This man not being a fighter is clear, right? It's clear. That's the take the speaker has. Sadly, Jane is not a part of our team. Sadly, Jane is not a part of our team. So Jane not being a part of our team is sad to the speaker. It's not modifying a particular word in the sentence. It's giving information about the entire situation. It's passing a comment about the entire situation. Jane not being a part of the team is sad, right? So it is sad that Jane is not a part of our team, right? Interestingly, no one at the university has any answer to his question. Interestingly, right? The action is not happening interestingly. Interestingly, this situation is interesting, right? It is interesting that no one at the university has any answer to his question. This is interesting to the speaker. So this is the take the speaker has about the situation. The speaker feels that it is interesting that no one at the university has any answer to his question. This is interesting, right? Apparently, no one wants to talk to us. We're bad boys. Nobody wants to talk to us. Okay, so this is apparent. All right. No one wants to talk to us. This is apparent. So apparently, comma, nobody wants to talk to us. So it's apparent to the speaker. To the speaker, it's apparent that no one wants to talk to us. Okay. So again, you can see these words, sentence adverbs are passing a comment about the entire situation and letting us know what the speaker feels about the situation, what his or her attitude or opinion is about the situation. All right. Now, these words can modify a part of the sentence, right? They're not gonna modify the entire sentence all the time. They can modify a part of the sentence. Generally the verb, if they do that, they are no longer sentence adverbs, right? Let's look at these examples and master this point as well. John interestingly completed the task. John interestingly completed the task. He completed the task, he did the task, but in what manner did he do it? He interestingly completed the task. So interestingly is working as an adverb of manner, talking about the manner in which he completed the task. This is not passing a comment on the entire situation. All right. Meera sadly opens her Christmas present. She opens her Christmas present. How she does it? She sadly does it. She sadly opens her Christmas present, right? So this entire situation is not sad. She does this action sadly. All right. She explained everything clearly. She explained everything in what manner? Clearly, right? This entire situation is not clear. She did it clearly in a clear manner. All right. So these words are not working as sentence adverbs. These are adverbs of manner. We have a lesson on that. You can check it out. Right. The link is in the description. All right. So that is all about the lesson, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned what sentence adverbs are. If you have any questions, any doubts, feel free to let me know in the comment section below. You can join my Facebook group, Instagram page. Links in the description. You can visit our website www.englishwithashish.com. We have detailed grammar lessons on the website as well. And I'll see you guys very soon. Till then, keep learning, have fun. I am out. Namaskar.